What is the real meaning of turkey in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of turkey dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see turkey in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and the beginning of something new due to a sudden spiritual awakening that will give you many desired results in the coming future. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in life. Now number 2, if you see buying turkey in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to buy something valuable in life or you are going to get big financial gain from a business, job, etc. in real life. Now number 3, if you see a flying turkey in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that now you are going to achieve something big and impossible that will give you fame and money in the coming future. Now number 4, if you see cooking turkey in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in life. Now number 5, if you see or eat turkey eggs in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success and prosperity in the coming future. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon with big monetary gain in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests sudden spiritual awakening that will make you a more powerful and happier person in the coming future. Now number 6, if you see killing turkey in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to listen to your heart and focus only on that things which you want to do passionately without any pressure. Only then you will feel real satisfaction and peace in life. Otherwise you will have to face unnecessary problems in the coming future. As well as this dream also suggests to control your anger and negative emotions to get the desired results fast in real life. Now number 7, if you see eating turkey meat in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance and delay. Now number 8, if you see a dead turkey in a dream, then it indicates some kind of loss or disappointment in life. So to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment, you should make your financial decisions very carefully or you should cross-check your plans before execution in real life. Now number 9, if you see pet turkey in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to face lots of positive changes in the upcoming days. Or you are going to find any idea, knowledge or wisdom within yourself that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. But before that you will have to follow your heart and intuition in real life.